Alright, welcome guys to the tutorial. Here we'll be teaching you how to make whiteboard animation with your smartphone. It is quite an easy one to do. Alright, all you need is, like I explained earlier, you need to have a script, and also you need the app. You go over to your Play Store. Yes, when you go over to your Play Store, you search. Alright, for the app we'll be using, search. The app we'll be using is called Benime App. Benime, that's it right there, Benime. Alright, so when you click on Benime, you see Benime. I have installed it, that's why it's open. But for those of you who have not installed it, you need to click on install over there. Alright, because I have it on my phone, I'll click on the open button instead because I have already downloaded. So the app is opening. Yeah, because you are a new user, this place will be empty and new, but I've used it before, that's why I have this project on. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the plus sign below it. Click on it to add a project. Okay, project you have. Movies are, what jobs you've done before. So when you click on that plus sign, this is what will come up. What do you want the name of your animation to be? Give it a name. Just give it a name. Don't add space, else it will not work. And then you choose the frame you want. Different frames: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and choose what you want. Yes, once you are done clicking it, for this video I'll be working with Facebook 720. You can work with anyone. So once you're done, all you need to do is to click on create project, and voila, we've come to the first workspace of the Benime app. Now this is how it looks like. It is quite easy to use. Now the plus sign here is to add scenes. This is scene 1. Now what we are trying to do now is to change the color of the background. Whichever color we choose is what the background will work with. Now we'll choose red color. Okay, so that's what this BG is for, to change the color of the background, whether we choose a picture or a color. Now the hand is to choose the pointer in which we'll work with, so I leave that hand that is there. You can choose anyone, but we'll just stick with this one we've selected. And then alright, we'll go back. Now if you want to add music, we'll do that at the end of the class when we are done with the video. So first thing we want to do is the text. Alright, so we'll add the text. What do you want to write? What is your video animation all about? Remember I told you have a script, so this is where the script comes into play. Alright, so we'll just use let's say a random script. Let's see. Okay, let's go with let's work with these 2 steps to living a good life. Alright, let's work with these 2 steps to living a good life, and then you can click on insert. Now once you click on insert, you have various ways to see. Increasing this line, this very line here, increases the space via which the text can be written. See, increasing the font size is there. Keep increasing 100. See where my pointer is. And then you can also change the of course this font, that's the word. You can change the font, increase the size, just play with it. You can put it, centralize it. All right, you can centralize it. You can change the color of your font. So I'll pick a more lighter color, so okay, yellow, perfectly. Okay, so then we are done with this. All right, you can just click on any empty space to bring down this thing, the option here, and then you play it from the top there. See that play from the top to see what you've done. Now you see on this sticker here, click on the sticker to add your image. Now we're going to add an image, and when clicking on add image, is picking an image in your phone. Remember, when you have an idea, you may have downloaded images that you want to use for your video, so you can just add the image from this. Now I'll just pick a random image. Pardon me, this image has nothing to do with this video, but this topic, but I'll just pick it to show you. Alright, see, I've added my image. Using that same line, you can use it to increase and decrease the size of your image. Okay, alright, good. You can and you can also edit it, can bring to front, send to back. That's if you want the image behind the text. You click on send to back because the image is on top of the text now. Okay, so if you click on send to back, bring back, you see it has sent the image behind the text. Okay, But for this video, we are going to, sorry, I duplicated it by mistake. You delete it. We are going to send it forward. Okay, let's send the text backward. Yes, we sent the text backward, and now the text as well. You arrange the text how you want to, reduce the size and place it where it suits you for your video. Okay, very good, you're doing a great job. All right, so and then we click on that same sticker there, and now we have other images. If you slide, just slide, see casual mail from the top there, you can slide, see different casual, pick your own casual mail, corporate mail. If you keep sliding, you see different things. So good, corporate mail, you can slide to female and the rest. There are different types, but let's go back. Let's do it in the next slide. Okay, so let's add a next scene. All right, let's add the next scene to our video. Now just click on the plus sign here, the square box plus sign below. It adds a next scene. Perfect, we've added a next scene. Now we have a new scene in the video. So what do? Add up a text. What do you want your text to be? You just add it up there. All right, whatever you want your text to be, just write it there. Once you're done, click on insert like we did before. You can change the size and however you want to come to sticker, swing, slide to the right, and pick the image or design that you want. Okay, that's the one I want now. Remember I said avoid negativity, so avoid negativity, put it up. I want to arrange it. All right, arrange it to suit my job. Okay, so yep, remember this is just a tutorial video, so I'm going to try as much as possible for it to be short and very self-explanatory. So if you want to add more images, why not? You can scroll. See, there are so many things you can add. A lot. As you keep scrolling, there are a lot of things you can add. All right, so we can go back from here. All right, and then if you slow through, just pick what suits you. You already have something in mind, an idea. Make it beautiful. Once you are done with everything, with your editing, you can add as many scenes as possible. You can change the color of each scene. All right, you can change the color of each scene, the background color of each scene. Sorry, this is not the way to do it. Not that way. Sorry, we'll go backward. I prefer the red. Let's change it. Now when you click on a scene, you see this icon that comes up. Layer simply means how to arrange it, which one comes first, which one will play first. Now you just click on yeah, so when you click on the scene, scroll, you see, I'm sorry, I added the scene by mistake. You see transition. Transition means how each scene should flow into the next one. So you can choose a transition for each. You can choose a transition for each scene. Okay, transition left, choose whichever transition you want. Once you are done selecting, you can click on an empty space. Now to change the background, okay, let's add the transition first for this. Yeah, okay, good. Now once we are done, we can go. We have different backgrounds per slide. All right, can you see we have added a different background per slide? Let's change the background of this also now. Okay, good. All right, I've changed the background of this slide. Good, it looks more beautiful now. You can play it and be creative. Now we've played what we did. How was what we did? It looks beautiful. All right, can you see what we did? You see the slides, see everything we did, and then perfect. This is perfect. Now after you have played and you are sure that your job is completely fine, no errors, you can now add music. And we have different ways of adding music. You either add music or you record. You either add music or you record music. Add music is having a music already in your phone, so it will lead you into your phone, but that's not what I want to do today. All right, so you can record your music, you can add your music, or you can put the text here and then play it. There's a voice and a speech and it will play out. Well, I won't be doing that. You can try that on your own. Yes. All right, so good. Once we are done, you can go backward now. I'm not using the music on this video I created. All right, so good. All right, so I can. All right, let's go. Now once you are sure everything is okay, you click on the save at the top there, that thing that looks like a diskette. Click on it and then click on the share button over there to export. It will ask you for a name. Remember, you cannot add space to your name. You cannot add space to your name. If you add space, look at what will show up. Movie name should not contain space, so go back there, remove the space. All right, you can use a hyphen instead and then make movie, and it will export. The job of exportation, you just give it a few minutes. Well, it depends on the length of your video. All right, our video is done exporting. All right, so we'll go and play our video for us to see now. See, what would you like to do? You can share the video from there, but then I don't want to. Let me go to my gallery. So the video has been exported into our gallery. All right, see, that's the video we created. This is exactly the video we created just now. A perfect whiteboard animation